Hey guys, this is Review Gaming here, and today I'm unboxing the brand new iPad 2 White Edition, and I'll be unboxing and showing you a review. This is the iPad 2. You can tell because it's white, and basically it's the 16GB includes the iPad dock connector, the USB cable, and the USB adapter to the wall for charging. Alright, so here we go, unboxing. There it is. And let's open it up. There you go, the iPad 2. Gonna go ahead and pull this tab up. As you can see on the very front screen, it includes the camera. I'm actually gonna go ahead and set the iPad itself in the box. And I'm gonna open up everything else. Alright, so what's included is designed by Apple in California. Basically, it's just instructions and 2 stickers from Apple. Here you have your USB connector and your power outlet to the wall, and that includes everything inside the box. I'm gonna get back to the iPad, and we're gonna go ahead and open it up. And here we are. As you can see, it's a nice white finish. On the back of it, you can tell that it's the iPad 16GB. There's 2 cameras on the back and also on the front. The home button. You have the power buttons on the right side. The lock key for it. Alright guys, at the front of the base, it's a nice white finish all the way around. Your home key at the bottom, a camera at the very top. You also have the volume, the lock control for depending on what orientation you want it in. For example, if you lock it in vertical, as the screen's vertical, and if you turn it horizontal, it'll still remain vertical, which is a very nice feature if you're playing, watching a movie or something. And the power button, and at the very top you have the headphone. Powering it on for the first time, and I'm going to go ahead and connect it to iTunes. I'll show you after I connect it to iTunes.
Thanks for watching my video, and stay tuned and subscribe for more.